Today I show you how to make Primo Sale and Ricotta at home. Primo Sale is a gentle Italian fresh cheese and ricotta is a symbol of Italian cuisine. Are you ready to uncover the secrets and become a cheese master yourself? Be sure to use whole milk, as its natural fat content is crucial for making Primo Sale and Ricotta. These natural fats give the cheese its unmistakably creamy character and full flavor, enhancing its smooth structure. They are also a treasure trove of fat-soluble vitamins. For this masterpiece, a stainless steel or a copper pan is recommended. Heat the milk over low heat to 38 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit. As soon as this temperature is reached, turn off the stove immediately. Now add the rennet, which you can get from a pharmacy. Pay attention to the dosage on the package. Stir the mixture briefly and then let it rest for 19 minutes, or follow the instruction on the rennet package until it becomes gelatinous. Use a knife with a flat blade to cut the curd crosswise and then into 3 to 4 cm cubes. Break up the curd with a regular whisk and continue this action until the solid part breaks down and reaches roughly the consistency of a grain of rice. For our 7 liters or 15 pounds of milk, we use about 1 teaspoon of salt. Use a skimmer to carefully lift the solid part out of the whey. Then fill the Primo Sale into a cheese mold, or as in our case, into a sieve. Let the Primo Sale drain in the fridge for 24 hours. This is our Italian fresh cheese, the so-called Primo Sale. It's excellent for a filling for pasta like ravioli, cannelloni, tortellini, or can simply be enjoyed on a slice of bread. Primo Sale is good for up to 4 weeks in the refrigerator, but tastes best in the first 7 to 10 days. You can also age the cheese, which requires special knowledge about temperature, storage time and humidity. Now we need the whey left over from the cheese production for the ricotta. Sieve it and add 1.5 liters or 3.3 pounds of milk. Now add lemon juice. The rule is 1 lemon per liter or per 2.2 pounds of milk. Now add salt. Heat the milk until it begins to boil. Immediately turn off the stove and let the milk cool down a bit. As soon as the milk forms these flakes, you can pour it into a cheesecloth to remove the water. This process is crucial for removing excess moisture, resulting in a firmer and more concentrated ricotta. Alternatively, you can pour it directly into a cheese mold. Place a plate or bowl underneath to catch any excess water. Leave the ricotta to cool for an hour and then put it in the fridge for 24 hours to drain. And here it is, our ricotta. Creamy, fresh and ready to be served. The versatility of ricotta makes it a star in both sweet and salty dishes. You can use ricotta in a variety of recipes, like in this delicious ricotta and spinach lasagna.